Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to cancel or delete a voucher in TallyPrime after cancelling e-way bill and e-invoice. You can use the familiar shortcuts Alt-X to cancel and Alt-D to delete a voucher. TallyPrime will handle the rest intelligently. To cancel the e-way bill, e-invoice and voucher, open the voucher in the alteration mode and press Alt-X. Now, you will come across one of the three scenarios. Scenario 1. The 24-hour time limit has not exceeded for e-way bill and e-invoice. Since the 24-hour time limit has not exceeded, a message appears asking confirmation to send details for cancellation. Press I to cancel e-way bill, e-invoice and voucher. Fill in the cancellation details of e-way bill and e-invoice. Press Ctrl A to save the cancellation details. Press Y to exchange the cancellation details with the portal. You will see a confirmation message that e-way bill, e-invoice and voucher are cancelled. Scenario 2. The 24-hour time limit has exceeded for e-way bill and e-invoice. A message appears indicating that the time limit for cancellation has exceeded. Press B to return to the voucher alteration screen. Press C to cancel the voucher in TallyPrime. However, this will only cancel the voucher in TallyPrime and will not impact the e-way bill or e-invoice. If you press I to cancel e-way bill, e-invoice and voucher, you will need to fill in the cancellation details as shown earlier. You will see a message about rejection of cancellation requests by the portal. However, if your e-way bill has no Part B details, you can cancel the e-way bill and pass a credit note for the voucher and generate e-invoice for the same. Scenario 3. The 24-hour time limit has exceeded for e-invoice and not for e-way bill. A message appears indicating that the time limit for cancellation has exceeded for e-invoice. You will be able to cancel the e-way bill but not the e-invoice. Therefore, you will have to pass a credit note against the voucher and generate a new e-invoice. Press I to exchange the request for the cancellation of the e-way bill and e-invoice with the portal. You will need to fill in the cancellation details as shown earlier. However, the request for cancellation of e-invoice will be rejected. Similarly, you can cancel the e-way bill, the e-invoice and delete the voucher in TallyPrime. Open the voucher in alteration mode and press Alt-D. If the 24-hour time limit has not exceeded, e-way bill and e-invoice will be cancelled and the voucher will be deleted. If you want to retain the voucher in TallyPrime and cancel the e-way bill and e-invoice, use more details. Open the invoice in alteration mode. Press Ctrl I and select Show More. Select e-invoice cancellation details and fill in the details and save. In the voucher alteration screen, press Ctrl I again and select Show More. Select e-way bill cancellation details and fill in the details and save. Press Ctrl A to save the cancellation details for e-way bill and e-invoice in the voucher. Now, you will come across one of the three scenarios as discussed earlier. You can take the required action to send the cancellation request. As you saw, for transactions with e-way bill and e-invoice, TallyPrime allows you to cancel or delete the voucher after cancelling both the e-way bill and e-invoice. In addition to this, you can just cancel the e-way bill and invoice and retain the voucher in TallyPrime. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.